In today's modern era, we know how important it is to take care of our health. Many of us don't have time to go to the gym, or we live in areas where the weather is not conducive to running outdoors. This is where a treadmill comes in handy. A treadmill is a great way to get your cardio in without having to worry about the weather or finding a safe place to run. However, treadmills can be expensive, and if you're on a budget, you may not be able to afford the high-end models. That's why we've put together a list of the best budget treadmills for home use in 2022. We made this list based on our own personal experience, as well as research on customer reviews and expert opinions. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information on treadmills, you can check the description links below. So, without further ado, here are the best budget treadmills for home use. The fifth product in our list is Weslo Cadence G5.9i Folding Treadmill. Are you less of a thrill seeker and more of a bargain hunter? We all love the convenience and deals available on Amazon, but sometimes it can be hard to pin down what's a good product at a great deal versus a meh product at an okay price. You won't find other treadmills listed here on Amazon, but you'll find the budget-friendly Weslo Cadence G5.9i treadmill, and it's one of the best for under $500 that we've come across on the Amazon marketplace. It hits a top speed of 10 miles per hour and has a smart device holder built into its console, so you can access your favorite workout videos or classes. You also get a free 30-day IFIT membership, so you can stream live and on-demand workouts. It has manually adjustable incline settings, 2 positions, and you can adjust your speed with the push of a button. Another great bonus about this treadmill is that its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces. The treadmill's running surface is a smidge on the small side compared to other treadmills on our list, at 16 inches wide and 50 inches long. So, runners may want to consider one of the other options we've already mentioned. But if you're a walker or light jogger scouring Amazon and wondering what the best purchase is, look no further. The fourth product in our list is Life Pro Folding Treadmill for home. You can still make the most of your home workout, even if you're working with limited space. The Life Pro Pacer folding treadmill reaches a top speed of just under 10 miles per hour, is capable of 12 levels of automatic incline and features no less than 45 training programs. The screen on this treadmill is very large and Bluetooth enabled, so it can pair with your fitness app and belt out music and other content through its built-in Bluetooth speakers. Its 1.75 chp motor is powerful but still quiet, and its hydraulic mechanism makes folding and unfolding quick and painless, mainly because there's no danger of dropping the track on the floor or your foot. You won't find many high-end treadmills like this under $800. The third product in our list is Horizon Fitness 7.4 Treadmill. If you are looking for a home treadmill that supports interactive training but doesn't break the bank, check out the Horizon 7.4. It puts an unlimited variety of interactive training options at your fingertips. When different family members hop onto the machine, they can tune into their preferred interactive training app rather than being closed into one option. So, how does it work? Although it's a bring-your-own-tech treadmill, so you have to connect your own tablet or smartphone for interactive training, this is actually a good call on Horizon's part when it comes to value and versatility. Not only does it keep the cost down as you are using your own screen, but it also means that you can tune into any fitness app, including the Peloton app, on your own device. When using a third-party app such as Peloton, Daily Burn, or Optiv on the 7.4, it's worth noting that you won't be able to see your real-time stats on screen. You can connect the 7.4 to the free AFG Pro Fitness app to control your treadmill from your tablet and monitor your stats from there. But the third-party apps don't interface with the treadmill. Although you won't have access to your real-time stats during the workout program on your screen. This is a sacrifice we're willing to make for the affordable price and the fact that you're not restricted to one app for interactive training. As well as unlimited interactive streaming options, which Horizon offers discounts on. Other highlights include an easy-to-fold frame, powerful 3.5 chp motor, which can keep pace with interval training, a roomy 60 inches by 22 inches track, Bluetooth heart rate monitoring, and preset programs including Sprint 8 training program, a HIIT training program for runners. You get a lot of bang for your buck with the Horizon 7.4, especially if you and the rest of your household members want to try a variety of interactive training apps. The second product in our list is Echelon Stride Treadmill. Moving away from curved treadmills, the Echelon Stride Treadmill takes us to the opposite end of the workout spectrum. This model is meant for easy storage and convenience. After a walk or run, you can hop off the Echelon, press a pedal with your foot, and watch as its console and handrails automatically fold down onto the track. Then you just raise the slim and compact design off the floor and against the wall. When in use, the Echelon reaches a top speed of 12 miles per hour and has 12 incline levels. But the other standout feature that earned the Echelon a spot on this list is its membership content feature. You can choose between 8 programmable cardio workouts on its console or access any one of Echelon's 3,000 on-demand treadmill workouts and 40+ daily classes from your smart device with a membership. Typically, treadmills that are this slim forego certain features like a shock-absorbing running deck, which is important for bone and muscular health. However, Echelon designed a treadmill that provides plenty of cushion and support without sacrificing its compact design. The number 1 product in our list is NordicTrack 1750 Commercial Series Treadmill. First across the finish line is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill, a highly rated machine with some high-tech bells and whistles. In addition to providing a smooth and durable running surface, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 features it on a HD touchscreen, making it the perfect addition to your smart home gym. Thanks to the inclusion of this crisp 14 inches display, you can actually follow along as trainers guide you on your workouts, adjusting your incline and speed along the way. Other standout features that earned this machine the top spot on our list include a handy Bluetooth-powered heart monitor, which can help you stay in your desired heart rate zone, customizable adjustment settings, and built-in cooling fans. At more than 300 pounds, the only real drawback of the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is its size and weight. Though very durable, it can be a difficult machine to maneuver around a smaller space by yourself. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.